Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction in Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. Now you will learn all the news about the Vechain cryptocurrency. Why e-commerce giant eBay could integrate Bitcoin in crypto payments. The company's CEO Jamie Yannon spoke to the media outlet about their plans to integrate Bitcoin payments into their platform. In that sense, eBay could make an official announcement on March 10th, during their upcoming day dedicated to investors. The executive said, "We're just completing our transition to manage payments where we're now managing $85 billion of volume on our platform directly. This gives us the ability to open up new forms of payment. We opened up Google Pay and Apple Pay. We have a partnership with Afterpay in Australia, which is a platform that appeals to Gen Z, and that is a buy now pay later platform on the marketplace." The company continues to evaluate payment methods to become, as emphasized by its CEO, more appealing to the so-called Gen Z consumers. Per the report, eBay is implementing different strategies to attract younger generations by particularly focusing on shoes and other categories. Yannon added, "We're not accepting crypto currently, but on March 10th, we're going to go deeper on all of these things, payments, advertising, our focus categories." Integrating with eBay could represent a significant expansion in terms of adoption for cryptocurrencies. The platform has an estimate of 187 million users worldwide, a metric that has seen steady growth since 2010. Will March 10th be the date for a Bitcoin eBay integration? Yannon addressed the boom of digital assets on eBay. In 2021, the company changed its policy allowing users to trade their non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Before this change was introduced, users were trading their digital assets on the platform. The CEO said. So even without announcing anything or doing anything, people started trading NFT on a platform. It reminded me of many years ago when users' accounts as this would fly in the face of the reason why crypto exists. However, we are taking the steps necessary to ensure we take action against those that have had sanctions levied against them, while minimizing impact to innocent users, Binance said. Should the international community widen those sanctions further, we will apply those aggressively as well. Read more. Crypto world grapples with challenge of how to handle sanctions. Artem Afin, a Ukrainian lawyer managing the effort to get information about politicians' accounts, plans to publish a list of politicians' addresses and share it with top crypto exchanges. The goal, Afin said, is to mark these addresses as toxic and discourage people and businesses from transacting with them. We want them to understand that they are not welcome in Ukraine or in crypto, he said. Afin said private donations toward a fund for tips have been mainly in Ether, as well as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Read more. Crypto billionaire, Pussy Riot join effort to send Ukraine money. The data will also be shared with blockchain analytics firm Chainalysis, according to Afin. The company tweeted Friday that it is monitoring whether Russian actors are using crypto transactions to evade economic sanctions. To the extent that cryptocurrency may be used to evade sanctions related to this crisis, it likely would have happened slowly over the past several months. Carolyn Malcolm, head of international policy at Chainalysis, told Bloomberg in an email Sunday. Any information on relevant wallet addresses will be added to our products and available to our partners immediately. Read more. Russians rush for dollars as sanctions threaten ruble collapse. Western nations, including the US, agreed Saturday to disconnect some Russian banks from SWIFT, a messaging system used for transactions between thousands of banks around the world. The move is just the latest in a series of international sanctions. Zhang. We can use options in a way that can substantially reduce volatility, Zhang told the block in an interview. Options, a type of derivatives, can be used to speculate on assets, but also are a Wall Street tool to squeeze returns out of an asset's volatility. For instance, strategies like long strangle allow a trader to take advantage of a potential surge in the volatility of an asset. ZX² is plotting a way to deliver outsized returns in the market while dampening the volatility of Bitcoin. In sum, the pitch to investors is that it can reduce the volatility of the underlying market to 30% to 40%. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain Price Prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain Price Prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet Price Prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet Price Forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. Vet Price Prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain N 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain Price Prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, Vechain Vet prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be 60 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Vechain's maximum price could be up to 72 cents in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after